But why would anyone want to use a laxative on their skin? Well, you're about to find out because castor oil has stood the test of time. Castor oil has been used since time immemorial for medicinal purposes. The Egyptians used it, the Ethiopians used it, the Greek used it, the Roman used it, the Chinese used it. So if it didn't work, it wouldn't be around this long. Now, the main active ingredient in castor oil is called ricinoleic acid. And because of the combination of properties this compound has, castor oil is a perfect remedy for a lot of issues, most especially as it relates to common issues like hair loss, dry hair, dry skin, dry face, and graying of hair. So this compound in castor oil, ricinoleic acid, has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. It is antioxidant, it is antimicrobial, it also acts as a moisturizer, it is an emollient. If you have dry skin, it can help revive it, and that is because castor oil can penetrate deep into your skin and your hair follicle and help restore lost moisture. It also works on cracked heels, it also helps prevent hair dryness, and because it has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, it also can help eliminate those bacteria underneath your skin which causes acne. And it just does this without affecting the friendly bacteria underneath your skin. Castor oil also reduces the appearance of wrinkles on your face, and that is because it actually stimulates the production of collagen. For hair loss and scalp issues like dandruff, castor oil is also very effective and helpful, and most people tend to use it as a natural hair treatment. Now, when you apply castor oil to your hair, it actually helps lubricate your hair and also nourishes your scalp by boosting circulation. This increased circulation delivers more nutrients to your scalp and your hair follicle, which not only strengthens your hair, but also stimulate new hair growth. Okay, so castor oil is really very good for your hair. Now, aside from your skin and your hair, the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effect of castor oil is really helpful in treating joint pain, sore muscle, and arthritis like osteoarthritis. So applying castor oil all over your joint is going to help lubricate your joint. It's going to help reduce that pain, that stiffness you are having in your joint. It's going to help improve your symptoms of arthritis. Okay. Now, aside from this ricinoleic acid, castor oil is also a great source of omega-9 fatty acid. It's also a great source of oleic acid as well as vitamin E, all of which makes castor oil a very important natural remedy in preventing skin issues, in preventing constipation, and also in improving your immune system. Now, when it comes to using castor oil, sourcing is very crucial both in its quality and safety. Now, there are different extraction methods, and it is very important to always check the label and ensure the one that you are getting is hexane free. Hexane is a chemical often used in extraction which can leave some traces behind and can really be very toxic. So the advice I will actually give you is to always check the label of every container of castor oil. Make sure the one you are getting is hexane free, is free from addictive, is free from fragrance and pesticide as well as coloring. Now, if I should advise, I'll actually recommend you go for the cold press and organic varieties. They are much better. Okay. Now, if you want to learn the proper way to use castor oil for maximum benefit, make sure to check out this video.